Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. As you may or may not be aware, we've launched the EV and Hybrid Network, which we did in early June this year. We've now just gone live with the website. Our social media is now up and running, so the EV and Hybrid Network Facebook page, Instagram, etc., and our YouTube channel. So we're starting to engage with the consumers in regards to EV and hybrid repairers or certified repairers. So if this is a space you want to be in other words, you want to be involved with EV and hybrid stuff as we go forward, might be worth having a good look at the EV and hybrid link on our website. So if you sign up to the EV and hybrid network, you'll go onto the consumer website so consumers can find you. You can also start to promote it to your own client database now, letting them know that your EV and hybrid's safe. So when they go to transition, if and when, that they know that they can stay with you for their EV and hybrid repairs. Also, we've got lots of equipment which we're purchasing, which we'll be loaning out, and our training we're launching in 2024, the AC/DC training across Australia, which is very, very hands-on. So lots happening in this EV and hybrid space. If it is somewhere you want to be involved with, go to the link and press on the link that's on this video, and then consider signing up and getting involved. So if you have a look at the map on the current EV and Hybrid Network website, the consumer website, you'll see there's a lot of people already signed up. Maybe you should become one of those. So hopefully we'll see you then, but if not, see you next time.